everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make 0.20 cents per referral, free referral. So you can make, for example, let's open the calculator now, and we will see our income. For example, 0.20 cents per free referral multiplied by 100 referral equal $20. So you can make $20 with this referral method. So this is the best earning method to get your first $20. So let's start explaining our strategy now. So here you have to sign up to that website. In Digitalworks you can sign up. I will put the link on the description so you can sign up. This is our website. We will work on that website. So click here after you sign up and verify your email. Click your details here, and you will see this panel. This is the panel of your dashboard. So here I have sales membership, lifetime, instant access to more than 500 products. You can delete your free account at any time, so unsubscribe the program. So we need to work with the affiliate program. Here, affiliate info, click on banner and links, and you will get your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. Click on copy and go to twitter.com and click here on your tweet and paste your link like that, and here go to the user homepage and search for a stunning description. So we will see now the home. This is the home. So if your brand will read these descriptions, I will, for example, I will copy this and paste it in the first before the link, and I click tweet. After I click the tweet, this is the tweet, so click on it. You get this link. This is the link of the tweet. So we'll copy it and go to youlikeit.com. This is the best website to share your tweets or your Pinterest pins or Facebook shares or anything. So this is my account. As you see, I have here points, and you see I have here some tweets. So I have 2004 points. So how can we use this website to share our tweet or retweet? So here you have earn points. You have website hits, for example. Here you can earn points by visiting the website. For example, we visit that website. We will wait 20 seconds, as you see here, and I will receive 8 points. And you gather points. Like me, I have gathered as you see here 2004 points. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you will receive the 8 points. As you see at the point, you got 8 points. So close that website, and you see here 2012. As you see, 2012 points. So now here you have the free daily bonus. If you do, for example, 75 actions or hits, you will get 30 point bonus point. So this is for you like his website. So how we can earn from that website using you like hits. So after we copy in that link, we go to add website. Click on Twitter. Here you can add your Twitter username. So for us, we have to click on retweet Twitter and click on retweet. And here the Twitter ID. So I go here and select the Twitter ID. This is the link. This is the Twitter ID. Copy it and paste it here and added the tweet. As you see, I have some tweets added. Click on manage Twitter retweets, and as you see here, I have some retweets 128 retweets payout. And you see here, as this is all my works. So this is our work. If your brand for paid ad products, and so here I click on for example 10 points per retweet, or if you want faster results, click on 30 points or 20 points. For example, I need just 10 points for retweets, and now it's active. So I will reload the page, and as you see, it's active. So now complete and watch your earnings growing. So everyone shares this tweet, everyone share it. You will get people to sign up to the in digital works. So you will get more referrals. So here, as you can see, I will click on my details here, and I will click affiliate info, and here I will click statistics. And as you see, I have used a technique, and as you see, 0.20 per one referral. As you see, 0 point commission earned 0.20, and you can get more referrals by this method, and you can get more referrals by sharing it also on Facebook, on Twitter, and you can use this website to share to all the Twitch, SoundCloud, Pinterest, or YouTube views, or Instagram, anything you want. So this is our strategy for today. You can earn 0.20 cents and get $20 per 100 referrals. So we will go to the calculator. 0.20 multiplied by 1,000 referral equal $200 per 1,000. This is the passive income. This is the best income from the website in digital works. Thank you for watching. See you next time.